Hey guys, just a short video update on the review of the tubes that I've been running in the red salsa here. As you can see in the background, you can see the Sandias way off in the distance. I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I was riding along the Rio Grande down there. First, I flatted the Schwalbe Aerothan tube. Swapped that out for a regular mountain bike tube. And then riding along this road here, I flatted the rear again. That's the Tubolito tube, the orange one you see laying on the ground. So both of those are done. I have one tube left. I get another flat, calling in for backup. This has been a pretty expensive experiment for me. Each one of these tubes was well over $30. I have not read good things about patching these tubes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. The WTB Riddlers are pretty thin to begin with. I read a lot of reviews on people getting flats with these tires, but I don't know if anything other than tubeless with sealant is going to win against goat head thorns, and that's what's growing all alongside this road here. The first flat I got, I'm not sure what it was. It was just a small little thorn looking thing. But the second one was definitely a goat head. I heard it as I was coming down this road. I heard the rhythmic tick tick, and I knew there was something in the tire and stopped as soon as I could. Pulled it out, heard a whoosh of air, and I didn't make it maybe another 100 feet down the road. It is shocking to me how quickly these lose air. One of the things I read was they don't lose air as quickly as a butyl tube. I don't think that's true. They lose air pretty quickly. The Schwalbe, the clear one that you see on the right, I tried filling it back up with a pump, and I didn't make it very far on that trail down there by the Rio Grande. I didn't make it very far. I had to bushwhack up to the levee to get that tire changed, that tube changed. Same with this Tubolito. I pulled the thorn out, I heard air escape, and I didn't make it very far. 100 feet, couple hundred feet, maybe. I don't think these are any more puncture resistant than a standard tube. They are expensive. Well over $30 for each. I don't think I would buy another one. I might just stick to the $9 mountain bike tubes that I can pick up at REI, and I can pick up a lot of those, and I can patch those pretty easily. These have some sort of weird patches that I've heard mixed reviews on, but most of the reviews I've read say that the patches don't stick. So for now, it looks like I've got a little over $60 worth of useless plastic here. If anything changes between now and then, I'll let you guys know. But hope this helps your decision on whether or not you want to buy these tubes. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.